This course was developed by Neil Chester and made with love for website owners like you. Show your support by liking, sharing, donating, or purchasing a service. Links are in the description box. In the next few minutes, you will learn how to choose the right hosting company for your business website. In most cases, your web development company will manage your website's hosting as a part of their ongoing services. This video is for those who are taking a more hands-on approach to their website setup. The role of hosting in your online presence. Your website is a collection of images, videos, and text files. Your hosting company provides a computer called a server that serves your website files to the internet browser. Hosting companies are partially responsible for how fast and secure your website is. Your domain name is the address that points to the server. Without the domain name, visitors would have to type in a long string of numbers to access your website. Your hosting company is the foundation of your website. When choosing a hosting company, look for the following: high ratings and great customer support, the website staging feature, security and automated backups, easy one-click SSL and CDN support. Now let's dive into each one. Look for positive reviews and year-round customer support. When you search the internet for trusted web hosting providers, you'll most likely come across articles listing the top companies. Investigate these claims and look for high ratings and read what people say about customer support. Timely and helpful customer support is one of the most important features to look for in a web hosting provider. Your hosting company's support staff must be available 24/7, year-round, in case your website goes down. The longer your website is down, the greater the risk of lost sales. After choosing your hosting provider, take advantage of any money-back guarantees and trial periods. Pay attention to response times and the helpfulness of the support. This will provide an indication of how they treat their customers. You can always move to another host if the customer support is not satisfactory. The hosting company should support WordPress. In this video's description, we will recommend hosting options based on the type of website you may have, but for this section, we'll talk about WordPress. If you're using WordPress as your website's content management system, it's crucial to choose hosting that supports WordPress. Look for services labeled Managed WordPress Hosting or simply WordPress Hosting. WordPress hosting is important because the server is pre-configured to support WordPress's inner workings, unlike standard hosting. Standard web hosting may require additional configuration to optimize WordPress's performance, which could be time-consuming or costly. Managed WordPress hosting also provides one-click installation of WordPress, compatibility checks to prevent themes and plugins from crashing or slowing down your site. It can automatically revert plugins if they fail after an update. Managed hosting can also speed up your website through a method called object caching. One-click staging support. With one-click staging support, you can create an exact copy of your current website and then make various updates and changes. If an error occurs, only the staged version will be affected, not your live site. Once you've installed new features and they've passed testing, you can publish the changes with a single click. In the past, it took considerable time to set up a staging site and even longer to deploy updates. Therefore, it's important to ensure your hosting provider offers one-click staging, as it reduces risk and makes major updates much easier. Security and automated backups. A good hosting provider cares about the security of your website. Look for the following features: DDoS attack protection, firewall and malware scanner, automatic backups and restoration. Sometimes we delete things by mistake, or a data error requires us to roll back to an early version of the website. You can have your website backed up weekly or daily, depending on your hosting plan. The automatic backups and restoration feature makes recovery of your website easy with just one click. Free SSL Certificates. Ensure your hosting provider offers free one-click SSL support. SSL stands for Secure Socket Layer, which helps keep your website safe from attackers who might try to steal user information through forms. Having a secure site is now standard for any website, even if it doesn't have a form. You will know a website is secure when you see the lock icon in the browser's address bar and when the address starts with HTTPS. All major browsers provide an alert if a website is not secure. An insecure website is not seen as credible and trustworthy. Installing an SSL certificate will resolve the warning message and provide peace of mind for your visitors. However, setting up an SSL certificate for a website is complex, time-consuming, and costly. This is why you need a hosting provider that handles this for you. It should be easy to enable SSL in just a few clicks. Always look for this hosting feature as it will save you time and money. Easy, CDN Support. CDN stands for Content Delivery Network. CDNs provide faster website performance and reduce bandwidth usage and additional costs. Typically, your site is served from a server in your hosting company's data center. A content delivery network distributes your website files across servers worldwide, allowing your content to reach visitors faster. Some hosting services connect you to their own CDN, while others offer easy setup to an external CDN service like Cloudflare. Regardless of how they connect you to a CDN, the hosting provider should make it easy. A good hosting company should provide a one-click option to enable it. With a good hosting company, it just works. 1. There is a high uptime. 2. Performance tests will indicate quick server response times. 3. Friendly, efficient agents who solve problems, not just read scripts. 4. User-friendly control panel and management tools. 5. It's easy to scale. They offer easy upgrades as your traffic grows. 6. Proactive security. They alert you to suspicious activity or planned maintenance. This concludes this video. See the video description for more details and related resources. And if you have questions about any part of this video, feel free to leave a comment.